How to invest in international markets from South Africa. Are you looking to diversify your portfolio by investing in international markets, but aren't sure where to start? In this video, I'll walk you through why investing globally is important, how you can do it from South Africa, and the platforms that make it possible. Stay until the end because I'll share a crucial tip to help you minimize costs when investing internationally. Why invest internationally? Investing in international markets opens up opportunities beyond South Africa's borders. It gives you access to some of the world's largest and most innovative companies, like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla. Here are some key reasons to invest globally. 1. Diversification. South Africa's economy is small and heavily reliant on specific sectors like mining. Investing internationally reduces risk by spreading your investments across different economies and industries. 2. The South African rand is volatile. Owning assets in stronger currencies like the US dollar or euro can protect your wealth from currency fluctuations. 3. Access to growth. Developed markets and emerging economies offer growth opportunities you won't find locally. If you could own shares in any international company, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments. How to invest in international markets. Here are the steps to start investing globally from South Africa. 1. Choose a platform. Platforms like EasyEquities, FNB Global, and Interactive Brokers allow South Africans to invest internationally. 2. Open a Forex account. To invest overseas, you'll need to exchange rands for foreign currency. Platforms like EasyEquities and Standard Bank make this process simple. 3. Decide what to invest in. You can invest in international stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, or even commodities like gold. For beginners, ETFs like the S&P 500 or MSCI World are great starting points. 4. Understand tax implications. South Africans are subject to tax on global earnings, so consult a tax advisor to ensure compliance with SARS. Which platform do you prefer for international investments? Share your thoughts below. Popular international ETFs and stocks. Some popular international investment options include ETFs, Satrix MSCI World, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, and Signia 4IR Global Equity ETF. Stocks. Companies like Microsoft, Alphabet, and Disney are global leaders with strong track records. Emerging markets. ETFs that track economies like China, India, or Brazil provide high growth opportunities. The most important tip. Now, here's the tip you've been waiting for. Watch out for fees and currency conversion costs. International investing often comes with higher transaction fees, management costs, and currency conversion rates. Compare platforms to find one with competitive fees and avoid frequent trading to minimize costs. Platforms like EasyEquities Global are known for their affordability, so consider using them for your first steps into international markets. Call to action. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on investing. Which topic should we analyze next? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, investing internationally isn't just about earning returns. It's about protecting your wealth and diversifying your risk. See you in the next video.